You're late already, Bilky ba? Where you been? Ha, Bilky? Gina? Nakag-work, Gina? Where you came from, Bilky? Let's party begins. How come to be party, Gina? Last night I'm in your live, Scott. Only in BG. I am not always late. Yes, I sleeping while I doing live stream. I forgot to off. I forgot to off my live stream last night. I forgot to off my live stream last night. I'm not always late. I saw that. Oh, I forgot to off my live stream at night. Oh, Bilky, today is my birthday na, Bilky. It's not a drawing, it's a real. I already 36 years old. This is not a joke. I already officially 36 years old, Bilky. It's not a joke. It's not a false alarm. Sir Bill, my busy day today. Can I have your copy, please? I was here watching your live stream for 2 hours while you sleep. Oh, really? I forgot to switch off my live. I suddenly sleep. Oh my god. I forgot it. Gina, I need to do live 15 hours. It's still lagging, guys. It's still lagging, guys. Oi, Gina, it's still lagging. Like, no. Oh, it's still lagging or not? No. Okay. Yeah, this is my live stream. 12 hours. No, not 12 hours. 15 hours. 15 hours live stream. I don't know if I can survive. No lag. I can survive 15 hours. Today is my day. I do live stream 15 hours. No lag. Okay, 15 hours live stream, Bilky. This is my challenge if I can survive until 11 p.m. Is that the Donald Duck outfit you bought a few weeks? Yes, this is. Yeah, Donald Duck. Oh, Bill, you remember? Yeah, this is ano. I remember when you took us to the store. Okay. He be in my eyes. Yes, she be in my eyes. Na 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 na. I am tired tonight. Oh, you need to sleep early, Bilky. You need to sleep early. Paano mag-ano man? Gina run away. Gina is working. Bill. Gina.